In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install Eyezy on both Android and iPhone. If you've been looking for a reliable way to monitor your child's or loved one's device activity, Eyezy is one of the most powerful tools out there. From tracking conversations on apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram to logging keystrokes, setting alerts for specific words, and even providing accurate location tracking, Eyezy does it all while running quietly in the background. To install Eyezy, click the link in the description below and create your Eyezy account. Select the device you want to monitor and choose your preferred subscription plan. As of now, Eyezy starts at about $47 per month. But if you opt for the annual plan, the cost drops significantly to just $9 per month, which is much more affordable compared to other parental control apps. Download and install the Eyezy app on your device and log into your Eyezy account. To link your child's device, click the plus button and either send a link to the device or scan a QR code with their phone to begin the installation. Ensure you grant all the required permissions so that Eyezy can properly monitor the device. Once everything is set up, Eyezy will do the rest, allowing you to monitor their activities discreetly and keep them safe even when you're apart. If you're a parent looking for a reliable way to monitor your child's device, block inappropriate content, and keep tabs on their online activities, Eyezy is a fantastic choice. Plus, it's incredibly affordable with the right plan. If you're interested in trying Eyezy, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for a discount. And if you have any questions about Eyezy or other similar apps, feel free to drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.